Alright guys, so you might probably think this is not an Adsterra account, but I bet you this is an Adsterra account. So let me take this to break this down for you to understand Adsterra and how this account is reflecting on the screen. So whenever you sign up an account, you just use to click on sign up button at this section here and click on either sign up as a publisher or advertiser. But this account that I'm showing you on the screen here is basically an advertiser account. So this is how the advertiser on Adsterra account look like. So I'll go ahead and explain to you how the advertiser account looks like and how you can start making money with the Adsterra advertising account. All right, so first thing first is for you to go ahead and just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell, because whenever I make a video, YouTube is going to send you a video or a message directly to you. All right, and go ahead and like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and let's proceed with this particular video. Now once you come here, just click on the get started, which is under the advertising aspect. So what does the advertisers do and what does the publishers do? So with the advertising, you're going to promote your brand or offers to audience out there. You're going to select a country and then you promote your brands or your offers out there. But with the publisher, you have to monetize your website, your app, or you can send traffic outside. So the more people engage with your traffic, the more you earn. The same as the advertising, the more people engage with the offer that you're gonna promote on Adsterra, the more you earn on Adsterra. So basically, click on get started and let me take you through how you can go ahead and set up an account and do everything on Adsterra advertising account. So once you just click on get started, it's gonna take you to the sign up button here, which says sign up as an advertiser. First thing first, for you to go ahead and enter your email address. So input in a valid email address, because Adsterra is basically going to send you message anytime you are there. All right, anytime, any day. All right, so Adsterra is going to send you an account or a message. So make sure to input in a valid email address. Make sure to put in a full name of yours. Don't use a nickname. All right, so this aspect, you don't have to use a nickname. Just input in your full name, and also use a login, of course, a username or something like that, which you're going to use to log into your account, and go ahead and create a valid password, a vivid and a valid password. Go ahead and input in a messenger. Now, where are you active on social media? Either Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. Just input it here. So in case you selected WhatsApp, just input in your WhatsApp number at this section here. Scroll down and click on type. Now the type is going to tell you what are you going to do on your Adsterra advertising account. So you're going to do CPA network or ad network. So click on CPA network. Let's proceed from there. Click on the models here, which is going to ask you what model. Click on CPM. All right, basically click on CPM. To come to this aspect, it says, how did you know about us? So either social media, you're watching this particular video on YouTube, click on social media. But if you want me as a friend, just click on friend recommendation. I'm good with that. All right, so go ahead and input or tell us more about it by clicking on this particular aspect. Say tell us more, and then make sure to take I have read and accept terms and conditions and privacy policies. Now once you are done, click on sign up button here. It's going to take you to welcome to Adsterra. So this is what, or this is how your advertising account is going to look. Now I'm going to take time to explain everything for you to understand how this actually works, how you can make money with advertising accounts here, and many more. Now I'm going ahead and also show you some indicators you have to know with your Adsterra advertising account. So go ahead and check under the description. There is a link there to my Telegram and WhatsApp. Join me out there. I'll be giving you some key indicators you have to know as a beginner, or you have to know as the process of making money with Adsterra. Go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Very key. And let's proceed with this particular video. Now once we get here, you see create campaign, your balance, and then your username. Now you're gonna create campaign. What the advertising usually do is we're gonna find CPA networks. All right, so there are a lot of CPA networks. You're gonna find a CPA network. Go ahead and find an offer from that particular CPA network. Run that CPA network or run that offer on Adsterra. Right, create the campaign with that particular offer, and Adsterra is automatically going to run that campaign for you to a lot of targeted audience that you're going to target in your campaign. So Adsterra is going to do that for you. So the more people engage with your particular campaign, the more you earn money in your Adsterra account. All right, so come to this aspect here which says how to get started: dashboard, statistics, campaign, traffic charts, offers, wish list, ad fund, finance, and many more. So I'm going to take time to explain to you how this actually works and how you can create campaign for yourself. All right, so we're gonna click on dashboard at this section here. Now once you click on dashboard, it's gonna take you to this section here. Now what does the dashboard do is that it gives you how your impression or your campaign is gaining a lot of impressions for you. So you can see impressions here, and then you can see spend at this section here. So the amount of money you're gonna spend on that particular campaign is gonna be reflecting at the spend aspect here, and the amount that we spend, what are the impressions you're going to get there, is also going to show at this aspect right down here. All right, so look, as I click on my campaign, you might get to know that I have some campaigns that I've been running in this particular account. All right, so my campaign, you can see that I have some campaigns right now here. Right, so I have two campaigns, right, but it have been denied because this is a demo account. So what you're basically going to do here is to come to this aspect, you say statistics. Now once you click on statistics, you're going to take you to a very good place where you can go ahead and track all your work. But basically, since I don't have any campaign running, I have no statistics, right? I have no statistics showing out right now here. So the statistics is going to help you to track whatever you are doing or how your impressions are going, on which date, on what day, on what time, and where are the impressions coming from. So the next move, you know where you're going to put your traffics to. All right, so we come to this aspect again, which says my campaign. That's what I clicked earlier. So at once you click on my campaign, it's going to show you create my campaign CPA goal rules. So once you click on create, it's going to take you to where you can start creating your campaign. And the second one is my campaign, where is actually going to show you we are running campaign that we've already started promoting. All right, so that's basically how that one actually also work on that aspect too as well. So the last one too, you can see there is the traffic or CPA go row. All right, so that's the CPA go row, which is basically some part of how you can track your campaigns too as well. So you have the traffic chart. Once you click on the traffic chart, it's actually going to show you how you can run different campaign and how different campaign are also earning in different countries. Now once we come here, we have the ad units. Now the ad unit, you have the propaganda, you have the social bars, the native bars, and many more. Now in my next two videos, I'm going to take time to explain to you the type of ads that you have to promote. All right, because most of you don't get the concept of propaganda ads, social ad, native ad, and many other ads out there. So I'm going to take time to explain to you how those ads work. All right, so once you are done with that, to come to the traffic type right down here. So the traffic type people are basically going to target, or people are targeting in this particular thing, is they are using mainstream and adult, which means they are promoting both adult content and also mainstream or non-adult content. And they are also using the format of mobile phone, and the country is selected as all. That means any country can receive their offers. All right, so right now here we can see, once we come to India aspect here, which means that at India, propaganda art is working, and people are also using mainstream and adults. They're also using their mobile phone, and they've selected all country, which means that they are earning something cool from here. All right, so this is the impressions some are getting, and this is the CPM they are also getting. All right, so you can see this one have United States, which means the person is earning $800 per this impression. All right, because they are basically using ad units, mainstream and adults, the mobile and others. All right, so if you want to use any social bars, you click on social bars and get to know how social bars networks or social bars unit actually works. All right, so once you click on social, you can see United States social bars are actually working there. This person is using, or those using this particular ads, social bars ads at United States, are getting 4.2. Okay, so $4.2, just as I said earlier. All right, so this is actually going to give you a chart where you can start, or a chart which will tell you to either run your ads on mobile, on desktop, either to choose propaganda ads, either to choose social ad, and either to go in for mainstream or adult. So this is a chart which is actually going to help you to do all these stuffs. All right, good. So once you come to this aspect to we say offer rich list. Once you click on offer rich list, it's going to also tell you the main content of their ad. So if they are running propaganda ads, what is the main content of that propaganda ad? So people are doing ad lock, people are doing the ad dropper, the chat GPT, the crazy time, the dark reader, and many more, right? So people are just doing this. So you can see the ad blocker, people are using it for desktop. Where is the best people are targeting? US, Canada, and the I don't know that of the and they are using the browser window, edge, and many more. Right, you can click on preview to know much about it. So in my next video, just as I said, I'm gonna head to create a campaign for you guys to know how you can start creating campaign for yourself. So it's very important for you to go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, very key in order for YouTube to go ahead and actually send you that particular video that I'm gonna make. So basically you have to note all this, right? Now once you come here, you can see ad fund finance right now here. Now ad fund is very key, but let's come to the finance aspect here, which is also part of the advertising networks. So the finance is somewhere you're gonna have to enter a promo code. Now in order for you to get this promo code, just join my Telegram channel, just as I said, and the WhatsApp channel. So I have these updates I'm gonna share with you guys. So go ahead and join me out there and let's promote, or let's get this promo code for free. So once you get some promo code and apply, you're gonna get some free balance at this aspect here, which you can use it to add it to your this main account here, and you're good to go. Right, so go ahead and join me out there. Right now, once you come to the tracking aspect, the tracking have to do with the API. The API have to do with whether you have an app or application. So you can go ahead and click on that. Now you generate a token for yourself. This way it says generate new token. Now copy this token and just go to your app URL and insert it there. Automatically Adsterra is gonna run out on your particular app for you to earn money from there. Right, so the most important thing I would have talked about is the ad fund. All right, so let's click on ad fund. Now once you click on ad fund, this is basically how you're going to do. Now since we are going to promote, we are promoting our offers, we have to pay people to do that particular things for us. All right, so we have to pay Adsterra. Now you're going to input or deposit an amount of money into Adsterra, then we run our campaign. Whilst we are running our campaign, these campaigns or these offers, people are going to make good use of it and get a higher impression. So it's very important for you to target tier one countries like Canada, United States, United Kingdom, and many more, because the amount of money you're gonna spend right down here is good for you to run tier one countries to get a better results for your Adsterra advertising accounts. Now the payment method have to do with the Visa by Braintree, we have the Visa by Reading Limits, we have the PayPal, you have the Paxum, the Tether UXDT, you have the wire transfer. That only the wire transfer have to do with an assistant going to help you. Any of these payments you can do it yourself, but with the wire transfer, Adsterra is basically going to bring you or give you one agent or one customer which will guide you with the process and everything. Mind you, minimum deposit here is 100 UXD to $100, so you have to note that and put that in mind. All right, so go ahead and select any of these and go ahead and deposit and start running campaign for yourself. Just as I said, in my next video I'm going to run a campaign for you guys, so stay connected and let me show you guys how you can run campaign on Adsterra. Right now, once you are done right now here, this section here, you can see, or this booth, you can see, click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to tell you to chat with any of their customer services or their personal in case you have any problem with your account. So here it says your message, your help. You can type in something here, so send in anything. If you have any problem with your account or Adsterra, go ahead and send it to them. They're going to take time to reply you, and that is how it's going to rate. Now click on settings to change the background of this particular interface you can see right now here. Now as I click on settings, it's going to take time to either view my account, and also, so your settings is going to give you this option, the session that, or the devices you've used to log into your account, and how your settings or your account looks like. All right, good. So that's how this is actually gonna look like. All right, so just as I said, this is an overview, or this is just a brief beginning tutorial for you guys, for you to understand how this work, the advertising aspect work rather than the publishing aspect. So once we've gotten familiar with this, our next video is going to be how you can create campaign, and the following from there is going to be the type of ads that you have to promote, either propaganda, either social bars, either any of these ads that you're going to promote. All right, so make sure or go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, very essential, very key. And then stay tuned to us. So join my Telegram and then join my WhatsApp channels, both the description. Check under the description, the links can be found there. Join me out there and let's move this Adsterra together. Let's make a lot of money on these both platforms together. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Just as usual, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I'm gonna see you in my Telegram channel. I'm gonna see you in my WhatsApp channel, and I'm gonna see you watching this particular video on how you can create a campaign for yourself. Now once you click on create a campaign, it's gonna show you a lot of things right now here. All right, once you click on campaigns, it's gonna show you how you can start it and how what after you can see propaganda, social, native bars, in-page push, and then instantaneous. I'm gonna take time to explain everything for you guys, so stay tuned and then watch out for my next video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Henry, and I hope to see you in my next video.